Guys, how's it going? We made 3,200 in the last 7 days selling PDFs on Etsy. As you can see here, pretty good conversion rate. Normally I make 6K to 9K a week, but it's been a bit slower. It's all about showing transparency. So in today's video, I am going to guide you through a niche I found that's quite profitable and you can take advantage of as well and build your own PDF store around it. So this is a wildflower framed wall art in the flower art niche. As you can see, it's selling every day. If I use the Everbee tool here, it's making a whopping 22,000 a month. And the reason how they're making so much is because they're actually doing print on demand. So they're selling the wall art in a physical frame, print on demand, like drop shipping. So the AOVs are higher, but they actually started off by selling a PDF of the raw file, and that made money first, and then they transcended into the print on demand. That's usually how it works when you sell PDFs. Is PDFs is that consistent income every month, and then when you want to really scale it, you go into print on demand. So to do this niche here and sell this flower art, I'm using a very popular tool called Kittl AI. Link in bio if you want to use that. And it's an amazing AI generator tool. And so what I'm going to use is you're going to want to sign up, free trial, go to Kittl AI image generator, which can be found here. Make sure you're selected on DALL-E 3. And then what I like about it, besides feeding the information of what you want it to generate, you have styles, which I love. I mean, like just by choosing the template styles, the oil painting style already shows flowers as a template, so you can easily make flower art seamlessly, or you can create your own. I created one called Impressionist, so we're going to use that. Now we're going to go to our title here, and we're going to use it. So Wildflower Vintage Botanical Design. So let's do that, let that generate. In this video, I'm also going to show you how you can make nice mock-ups like this and plug in your art in seconds. And then you upload that to Etsy in a PDF file. And I'll also explain how the art is correlated to the PDF file as well. So as you can see here, we have some options. It didn't generate to my liking, but it also suggested this design. So that's just one style. I can do bouquet of lavender flowers in a watercolor design. And then this time, instead of this, I'll do oil painting. So I'm doing this so I can have some options. Also, what I love about this is you may think as I increase the size, the quality is getting worse, but actually it's not worse. Right here, you press the upscale button and the quality immediately goes up. Here's another gorgeous design I can use as well. But for this example, this turned out stunning. So once I'm happy with the design, you're going to go to export and then make sure you're doing 300 DPI, optimize quality as a PNG and export. So once you have your file, you have to have a nice mockup. I recommend the Canva tool. And the reason why I love the Canva tool is when you type in wall art, there's over 20,000 plus templates you can choose, endless amounts, and they're really nice. So here's one I already have ready that I found. By the way, you can literally press any one and it will suggest more like this. And then you can easily look at this, this will sell so well. I want to also mention any assets you use from Canva, I highly recommend always being on their lowest paid plan. So you have the commercial rights to do so you don't have issues. But anyway, once you have your design, you can export it. And then automatically when you drag it in, it's going to show up here. So just to make this process quicker, let me download that. And then here I want to plug this in real quick. And like that, look at that, in seconds, gorgeous design that I can now list this for sale, I mean, like just the way this looks, so customers can visualize how the art looks in their house, and they're going to buy. And then you can export this as a as a PNG as well. Now we want to make sure the SEO is good. So for wildflower, as you can see, I'm using the eRank Spy tool. The keyword volume is very good. Love that. We can do just flower art. See how that turns out. While that loads, just here's how the business model works. Like I said, you start off selling the raw file because it sells on its own, and you sell it for $2 to $7. Sells passively. You put the PNG raw file I downloaded with the mockup in the PDF, and the PDF will be an instruction guide for the customer on how they can download it, because PDF buyers are doing it because they're doing the printing. They're going to print it out and figure out what they want to do with it. So that's why you put it in a raw file and you provide instructions. I'll get to how you do that in a second. So as you can see here, flower art, got some great volume, flower wall art, flower art. These are really good. I can use these and rank for my Etsy listing. So now, how does the PDF come into play? You're going to want to go on Google Docs and just then go on ChatGPT and ask it to generate you a thank you message for your Etsy digital product. And it should spit out something like this, where it guides the customer how to download the files. And then you yourself can tell the customer to leave reviews, and you link the customer's digital files in a Google Drive. And when they open that, they'll be redirected to the Google Drive and they can download their files. And that's pretty much it, how you do that. Right. So this is really simple, and it is simple in theory, but it's just a game of posting. If you're consistent testing out designs and posting every day, you can really crush it in this business. And I like this quote: you basically have to take the best that exists and make it better. And when it doesn't exist, you design it. And that's by Sir Henry Royce. Also, I just want to write this here for all of you. Like I said, just a good thumbnail. So good thumbnail. This is your thumbnail. You want to show off the art right away to the customer. Good thumbnail and being consistent. And by consistent, I mean pressing that add a listing button on Etsy every single day and posting. And that's how you're going to get those winners and reach, those big numbers. Because I mean, it takes one piece of art to change your life. For this listing, this one piece of art is making him $22K a month, selling 7 times a day at high prices. It kind of shows you what's possible, right? So that's pretty much how this business works. If you're interested in learning how to do all of this in a very affordable and smooth way, all spoon-fed to you for you, I have a very simple course that shows you how to start this business with a guaranteed sale. Link in bio for that. Literally guaranteed sales. Check that out down below in the bio. And that's pretty much how it is. I can also show you how some of our students are doing. They're joining every day, making their first sales every day, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So get out there, start listing some flower art and making sales. I'll see you in the next video.